Hello and welcome to the Photoshop Elite Blueprint. In this session, we are going to learn how you can edit your images through this software. It is basically an image editing and graphic designing software. In today's session, we are going to learn how you can crop and edit your image and adjust the quality of your image in the first video. And second, you're going to learn how can you change your background of your images and combine both the images. And in third, we are going to learn how to add text and shapes in your images. So let's start with the first session. So let's start with first image. You can select any of the image, like we will be selecting this one, open, and now we have to crop the image. Now in this version of Photoshop, I have already a automated rule crop tool, but the earlier versions of Photoshop, we have to just select like this. After selecting the crop tool, you have to select like this, and then the portion will be selected. So now here we have to select this, only the selected portion, or you can select the desired portion as you want. Hit the enter. After you selected, I have hit the enter, and you can see on the screen the portion has been captured. Now just go to image, in adjustment, the second option, image adjustment, and for this we can first select as a brightness or contrast. From this we can adjust the brightness or contrast of the image. It completely depends on your image, how it has been and how it needs to be developed, and just press OK. After that you can again go to image adjustment, and for color balance you can select this color balance, or you can press the short key, that is Ctrl B. You can select your color balance and adjust the colors. You can see on screen how the image appears after changing the colors. When you divert to green, when you divert to magenta. What if when you have to select a specific color? So for that we have image, again go to image adjustment, and here you can select the color. So you can find a different list of colors, the yellow, green, cyans, blues, blacks. So a particular list tool is used for blacks. You can see selecting black and adjusting black over here. You can see the vast huge difference over here in the image, and hit OK. Change the image to black and white. So just go to image mode and just hit grayscale. Now here it asks that whether to divert all the colors to black and white, and just use the discard, and you can see on screen your image completely becomes black and white. So these are all the things, those are the variety of your Photoshops, variety of the tools in Photoshop. You can just select and enhance your quality of your image. So that's what for this video. We'll meet in the next video.